Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to track token market caps, FDV, and supply metrics on Solana using Bitquery's trading API. These APIs are using multi-chain trading APIs by Bitquery. You can just change the network Solana to, let's say, ETH, BSC, Base, etc., and it works just fine. This API gives you real-time market cap, fully diluted valuation, total supply, and price data for any Solana token. Let's see how to use it. First, let's stream live market cap updates for all Solana tokens. Filter by currency.id includes Solana to get only Solana tokens. The interval duration greater than 1 second ensures you're getting aggregated data. You get market cap, fully diluted valuation in US dollars, total supply, and current price, all updating in real time. Perfect for building live token dashboards or monitoring the entire Solana ecosystem at once. Now let's get the latest market cap for one specific token. Use the token ID format Solana : followed by the mint address. Order by descending block time with limit 1 to get the most recent snapshot. The response shows current market cap, FDV, total supply, and OHLC price data. Great for quick lookups, portfolio tracking, or displaying token metrics in your application. Finally, let's stream only tokens above a market cap threshold. Filter by market cap. Greater than 1 million to catch only tokens above $1 million market cap. Adjust this threshold to any value you need. This API filters out other tokens and helps you look into tokens with specified market cap slab you're interested in. The API also supports ranking top tokens by market cap with volume filters and tracking market cap changes over time, like biggest gainers in the last hour by market cap growth. You can combine filters for volume thresholds, time windows, or specific networks to create custom token discovery tools. That's Solana Token Market Cap API. All queries in the description. Drop a like, subscribe for more Solana tutorials, and let me know what tokens you're tracking.